Hey guys, Ted Ramirez here with Caribou Gear. Today I wanted to talk to you about the new company that we acquired in our showroom and our online store. It is Outdoor Edge. We are going to be offering a few different variations of their knives and sharpening tools, but right now I'm going to talk to you about the 3.5 EDC Razor Light and the 3-inch blade Razorlite EDC as well. And really the main difference is going to be that the 3.5 comes in a sheath with a belt loop, and the 3-inch Razorlite EDC has a little pocket clip on it. Also, it does come with four blades already with it right here, and the 3.5 has 6, and you can see right here. They are extremely sharp. The weight difference, obviously this one is going to be slightly heavier. The finish on it here is a rubber, more of a rubber feel to it. It fits really nicely in the hands. I prefer this one, and I do like this one for maybe skinning the animal. When it's cold out, you have blood on your hands, it's going to be really nice and you get some really good grip on it. This one though definitely has its place. This one's going to be your everyday knife. You can pocket clip, obviously, really nice if you're looking for something lightweight, compact, backcountry kind of deal. This would be definitely the way to go. Changing out the blades here, they're both going to be the same as well. There's a little button here right on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Really cool though. You're going to hit this button and that blade just slides out. Extremely easy. And then what you're going to do is actually there's a little lip there. You're going to find that and just slide it back in. Let's see if you can hear that click. Right there, that click is just letting you know that it is secure and ready to go back to work. So that one, the 3-inch Razorlite EDC, four blades for interchanging there come included, and a pocket clip. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back. And then we have the 3.5. It comes with 6 blades, has a sheath that comes with it, and a nice little rubber handle finish there as well. The other one that I want to talk about is the pack saw. This thing is extremely light and it's actually really cool. It has 3 different blades here. So you're going to have your wood, your bone saw, and then your metal saw as well. So it's going to cover everything. This one is actually really cool. It comes with a nice little carrying case as well. This is what it looks like out of the storage there, or out of the packaging. Right here we have the metal saw on it right now, and then like I was saying, here are the wood and bone saw as well. Really cool. It packs down really nicely into this little covering here. Nice little bag. Close it up, and it's really nice too because you can just slide it in your pack and you're good to go. Multiple uses for this item. And then last but not least, we do also want to mention the Edge X. This one right here is pretty cool, nice, lightweight, compact. This one I carry in my pack. You just never know when you need to sharpen your knife. You have your carbide here for your shaping, and then the ceramic here for the finishing on that knife. Another cool thing, when you are going to sharpen it, you just kick out the little support here, nice little stand, and it's extremely sturdy. The orange here is a rubbery finish, just like on the 3.5 EDC, and it's great. It's nice, compact. Your finish, you just close it up real nice like, and you're good to go. So be sure to hit the link up above. We're going to put the link there, and it'll take you to a page with all of this product on there. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are going to do more videos and highlighting some of the products that we offer.